Hey guys, this is Tyler. I'm a handyman for the average man, and I just had my birthday, and I was very blessed to get something very exciting. And so in the past, I've mentioned how I've been needing like an angle grinder. I had another video I posted on a grinding stone bit that y'all have watched probably, with the attempt to sharpen metal tools and blades, and it didn't work the best. It did, somewhat of a job, but I got a present for my birthday yesterday, and I'm very excited to show you guys and open it up with you guys. So here we go. I got a 6-inch bench grinder, and it's gonna look like that. So let's open this bad boy up. Got some instructions, and it's a Wen 6-inch bench grinder. All right. Look at that beautiful thing. That is awesome. Wow. Let's see if I have to set this camera down. This thing is a beast. 1 second here. Let's see. All right. So this one has a nice light fixture, so you can see what you are. There's a nice light fixture, so you can definitely make sure you're getting the right blade sharpened at the right angle. Looks like it's got a coarse, more of a wheel that's coarser, and then a wheel that has a finer grit. And then obviously your power. So these are 6-inch in diameter. It's a 2.1 amp. Let's plug this in, give this bad boy a try. It's all kinds of hardware. Not quite sure where it all goes yet. Let's take a look at the instructions. Alright, so the first thing it says is to install the left tool rest, which is one of these things, to the left wheel guard. Use knob, screw, and bolt to secure it in place. So now I got the left tool rest. Okay, now my right resting tool guard. Got my bolt and my nut. So this has a groove where it can slide, and so we're just pushing it all the way forward, obviously to keep it away from the grinding wheel. Okay, it says to ensure that the tool rests are within 1/16 inch of the grinding wheel. That's interesting. It says 1/16. I would assume you'd want it as far away as possible. I have it at 1/4 of an inch. I can always adjust this as I need to, so we'll just see. Okay, so the next step is to attach a spark arrestor to each wheel guard. Okay, this is the same thing as a spark deflector. They're calling it a spark arrestor. Kind of an odd name. So it comes with these little tiny screws with the little washer on them. And I'm attaching each of these. Okay, so I now understand why we need to put these guards 1/16 inch from the grinding wheel. It's going to deflect the sparks and help us with that. So these, I need to slide them down so it's 1/16 inch away from the actual grinding wheel. Very small distance away. You know, 1/16 of an inch is nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these as well, now that I realize that you should always follow instructions. Okay, looks good. Now it says to attach the right shield arm to the right wheel guard using bolt and washers. So these are the shield arms right here. And you can see probably there's this little hole here. So that's where we're going to attach it. So as of now, these things kind of wiggle. It seems like that's kind of intentional. But we will see. I'm going to do the other one. So there's a little lock washer with a flat washer that I'm using. So I just hand tightened those for now. I'm going to keep in mind that I may need to actually tighten them further with a little wrench, because I don't yet know the full purpose of these, but we will see. I know they're for the shield, the eye shield, but let's see. Okay, so those are the two shield arms. So now we're going to install the eye shield. Okay, so this is the right one. So I'm just going to follow the picture here where it's kind of at an angle. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing with the left side. I'm trying to get these to match so they have the right same angle. So it says the bench grinder is not provided with a light bulb for this flexible work light. So we'll have to see. It says to reduce risk of fire, use 120 volt, 40 watt or less. So perfect. This light bulb I found is 120 volt, and this actually surprisingly ends up being like 19 watts. Okay, the light may be associated, it may be associated to this when I turn that on. We'll see. All right, so only thing is I need to tighten these bolts a little bit more. Okay, I like that. It's not too tight, but it'll do. It allows me to move it as I need to. Okay, let's make sure there's no other last instructions we need. So it does give, this is kind of nice, it gives some specific instructions for different tools that you might be sharpening. For example, scissors, knives, screwdrivers, lawnmower blades. So it gives very, some specific details to make it more effective, but also safer. And this brand has a limited 2-year warranty. So let's get to it, shall we? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I have this little hatchet that I want to try. So here we go. So just like I thought, the power turns on the light, and now I can turn the light off and on. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to turn the light off. And remember, we have the fine grinding wheel and the coarse grinding wheel. And it's important to note, safety first. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my safety goggles, if I can find them. Here they are. Alright, so this is pretty dull. Alright, so that's how to assemble a bench grinder. I'm very happy for this new toy, and I'm going to have another video showing a little bit more in depth, not a little bit more in depth, but just different things that you can sharpen. And I'm going to show the proper way to get those sharpened. So look for that video. I'm going to have that coming up soon. So yeah, thank you all for watching another video of mine. And I am, as always, Handyman for the Average Man. And please subscribe, please like the video, please share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions of what y'all want to see or any types of videos you're looking for, please comment below. And that's it. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching.